Green chili adds fire to our food, but it also brings a surprising mix of nutrients and health effects. Let's break down what green chili really does to your body. Rich in vitamin C. Green chili is packed with vitamin C, often containing more per gram than oranges. This vitamin strengthens your immune system, helps your body fight infections faster, and supports collagen production for healthy skin and faster wound healing. Boosts metabolism. The compound capsaicin, responsible for the spicy kick, raises your body temperature slightly and speeds up metabolism. This means your body burns calories a little faster after eating spicy food, which can support weight management over time. Supports heart health. Capsaicin in green chili may help widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. Regular, moderate consumption is linked to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduced risk of blood clots, both of which support a healthier cardiovascular system. Improves digestion. Green chili stimulates the production of digestive fluids like saliva and gastric juices. This can improve appetite and help food break down more efficiently, especially when eaten in small amounts alongside a balanced meal. Fights inflammation. Capsaicin has natural anti-inflammatory properties. It may help reduce joint pain and swelling when used topically or consumed in moderation, making green chili a useful addition for people managing mild inflammatory conditions. Rich in antioxidants. Green chilies contain antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body. This reduces oxidative stress, which is linked to slower aging and a lower risk of chronic diseases like certain cancers. May help manage blood sugar. Some studies suggest capsaicin can improve insulin sensitivity and slow the spike in blood sugar after meals. This makes green chili a food worth considering, in moderation, for people watching their blood sugar levels. Side effect: stomach irritation. Eating too much green chili can irritate the stomach lining, leading to a burning sensation, bloating, or discomfort. People with sensitive stomachs should limit their intake to avoid these effects. Side effect: acidity and heartburn. Excess consumption can trigger acid reflux and heartburn, especially on an empty stomach. If you already suffer from acidity issues, it is best to consume green chili in very small quantities. Side effect: skin and eye irritation. Handling green chilies with bare hands can cause a burning sensation on skin, and accidental contact with eyes can lead to intense irritation. Always wash your hands thoroughly after cutting chilies. Green chili can be a powerful addition to your diet when eaten in moderation, offering real benefits for immunity, metabolism, and heart health. But overdoing it can backfire, so listen to your body, watch your portions, and enjoy it wisely. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with someone who loves spicy food, and subscribe for more health tips.